Over the past 5 years, Delaware Botanic Gardens has worked with state environmental partners and the Delaware Center for the Inland Bays to enhance the sustainability of their campus. EPA is proud to highlight this partner's dedication to environmental sustainability and education. The Botanic Gardens utilizes EPA Clean Water Act funding to protect their local waters. To date, they have installed green infrastructure projects like a living shoreline, rain gardens, and a rainwater cistern on their unique restroom building. These projects stabilize soils to reduce erosion and also increase rainwater absorption. This, in turn, protects water quality and reduces flash flooding. An emphasis on planting natives also provides food for beneficial pollinators and insects. EPA has provided additional funding to install another rain garden called the Gateway Garden, which will extend these benefits to the property's western corridor. If you'd like to learn more about how to green your own property or how this partner has put Clean Water Act funds to work, you can visit the gardens in person or online.